Maayong adlaw! This is J Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Siquijor! For today's video, tara't pasukin natin ang bagong glamping house dito sa Aquamari Beach Camp Resort sa Barangay Sandugan, Larena, Siquijor.
I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know, got a thing for
Again, this is the newest glamp house dito sa Aquamari Beach Camp Resort. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!